Alright, let's see what I want to do a wash. 29. Here, this is what you gotta fucking do, guys. Watch. And wash. Now what? Total price. Next. Colors. Next. I don't fucking know. Regular. I don't know, soap package maybe? Okay. Yeah. This is the way it is now, huh? Credit card. Hey. Swipe. Swipe outside. Chip. What the fuck? Figure this out. Vending machine, Mount Dew. Go to washer 29, press start button. Okay. Alright. Start button. I come over here. I'm on 29. This is the setup I'm using. So I'm gonna press start. Does all the. This is kind of cool. Totally fully automatic laundromat. Food and home. Pretty sharp, pretty smart though. You can see much. Machine is processing, thinking. Come on. Did all my shit. So. Yeah. I don't know. But. Oh no, I'm not ready to drive. No. Just thinking. How long does it take? Still processing. It's been a while. How long does it take for the machine to actually get started? It takes a while after you pay and all that?
I don't know, it's not first time here. It was instant for me.
Is it?
I took about 27 minutes on cold.
What'd you say?
For cold water, mine was about 27 minutes, 28 minutes for a washer.
Yeah. It'll wait that long before it'll start?
Oh, no. No. Start pretty quick for me. I don't
Because
know.
it said okay. Obviously it cleared.
You put in the right number? 29?
29.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, it says waiting. I don't know.
This is, I never saw anything like this before.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all new to me. You got it locked? You got it locked all the way?
That might. It felt locked all the way.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Idiot. All you gotta do is lock it.
It's all good.
Oh, there you go, guys. So look at these updated laundromats. It's insane. Check it out. So it's a clean place. All these new machines. You don't need soap. You don't need detergents. Machines do it all on its own. Just go to a payment center. Yeah. All right. Laundry day. we keep going. Then they got a bar, they got a lounge, with bike shit on, just to hang out. Look up. The place is called Quantum. Yeah. Alright. Exactly what I want to do is a cool market and all that. Exactly what I wanted to do is spend my day at the laundromat. Well, it's not going to be a whole day. 2 hours wasting my time. We're at the laundromat. There's a market going on, like a farmer's market. I would rather be there. You know, it'd be nice if I had a laundromat inside my place I stay. That'd be really nice. I'm just a complainer, guys. You know, when you're spoiled like me, and it's not being spoiled. It's about working hard. And I guess when you get to a certain age, you don't settle for anything less. You just, you know, because you know your self-worth. And, you know, maybe I'm just rambling. Maybe I'm just getting old. You know, 55 years old and I'm just complaining. That could be it. But, all right. Laundry do his thing and he's doing something. Oh, it was started. All right, cycle complete. Let's put those in the dryer. Hey, well, I'm back. Laundry's done. You know, I mean, it was, regardless of the facility being nice, it's just an inconvenience for me. You know, I guess better than having no facility. Try to keep it positive. It's a nice facility. I didn't have to bring soap. I don't know what I spent. I couldn't tell you. Everything's automated, you know. Obviously, as you see that. I don't know, how many of you have been to a laundromat like this, where it's all automated? The washer actually adds the soap in it for you automatically. Because, you know, like I said, it's cool, but there's always a but. You know, I gotta go buy washcloths because this hotel doesn't provide them. I gotta take showers. Well, have to take showers, keep clean. What a pain in the butt. It is what it is, you know. Like I said, it's not a complaint. It sounds like I'm complaining. I'm not really complaining. I'm more or less just expected a little bit better treatment. You know, I don't know. Maybe it's just me, guys. I shouldn't have to go off and do laundry off-site and stuff like that. Shouldn't have to do that. But unfortunately, that's what this does. I'm going to save this plastic. But hey, this laundromat, it's been one heck of a day already. It's 1 o'clock. My back is cranked. And I'm going to keep this. The girl that was working there, she did tell me, she's like, well, you know, we could do your laundry also. And I might do that, you know, if I'm super busy or don't have time. But I guess it was pretty dead in there today. So I'm grateful for that. And the reason I'm grateful for that, now I know what I'm up against. So you walk in, put your clothes in your washer, you pick the washer, you go to the kiosk, you do all this stuff, and you use your credit card on the kiosk. Starts the washer, throw it in the dryer. Said I'd use the kiosk again to to pay another $2. I think I put it on high. That's why but my pants had some, they weren't 100% dry, but that's fine. Want to get the hell out of there. Enough time my day was wasted. So guys, again, this part of the video was, I guess, call it a bonus, right? As far as seeing this cool laundromat. Maybe a lot of you have seen it, but I haven't. So other than that, you know, have a safe weekend. Have a great day. Be legendary. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button.